What is Scrum and why you need to know? If you want to get hired by global companies like Google, Microsoft, Netflix and more, then you must watch this. Welcome to our new Scrum series where we cover everything related to Scrum. Scrum is used in all the major companies around the world. So if you wish to get employed in one of them, you need to know about Scrum. This is part 1. Let's go! So what is Scrum? Scrum is an agile process management framework commonly used in complex software development, although it's also used in various fields including research, sales, marketing, and advanced technologies. This is how Scrum helps organizations. A. Efficiency meets collaboration, right? Where Scrum framework enhances efficiency and collaboration within teams. Scrum empowers you to deliver projects faster, adapt to changes seamlessly, and maximize productivity through iterative development. Secondly, it empowers self-organizing teams. Scrum enables self-organizing teams, fostering a culture of collaboration and autonomy, as they embrace transparency, continuous improvement, and shared accountability, leading to remarkable results with increased satisfaction. Next, iterative, adaptive, and customer-centric. Scrum delivers value that matters. With the core principle of Scrum, that is iterative development, adaptability, and customer centricity. Delivering incremental value to customers, gathering feedback early and often, and adapting your approach to create products that truly meet user needs. Ready to embrace Scrum's potential? Read the caption below to know how you can use our Scrum certifications to increase your productivity, credibility, and earnings. We have already upskilled more than 90,000 people, and now is your opportunity. Go to part 2 where we discuss how CSM workshop can fetch you more than 50 lakhs of package as a salary.